Hello creative cooks and fictional foodies, welcome back to the Fictional Foods Vegan YouTube channel where we bring food from fiction to table. It is officially June, which means it is officially Pride Month. And as a non-binary, ignore what I say in the video, I was still figuring things out, and romantic, demisexual, it is very important, obviously to me, that we celebrate this month. We're going to be doing a few Pride-themed recipes, but we are starting out the month by sharing an oldie but a goldie. Back when we were living in the States, we made this rainbow fudge for a friend's Pride Month party, and we thought it would be really cute to bring it back because it is something that we can still make in Japan, and you hopefully can make wherever you are at to help you celebrate Pride Month. Subscribe if you want more Pride-themed recipes throughout the month, and make sure to like this video and let us know the variations you created on our rainbow fudge. But for now, let's get into it. We'll see you in the kitchen. Happy Pride, friends! It's your lovely host, Marista, back with another recipe to share with you. Today's recipe, of course, is themed for Pride Month. We're celebrating our sexuality and our freedom to love who we want, how we want, and I am going to a pride party bringing some sweets, and I thought I would share the recipe with you. Today's recipe is going to be something that you can share with all of your rainbow family and our allies. Representation is extremely important. And as a minority, a female, a pan-romantic, gray sexual, I just thought it'd be cool to make something that I can share with my friends who are on the rainbow flag with me and bring something cool to a pride party that we're actually having this weekend. Today's recipe is going to be a rainbow swirled fudge. I'm going to make white chocolate fudge with a dark chocolate swirl and throw some rainbow sprinkles on top. This recipe is pretty easy and quick, minus the chill time that we're going to need to set the fudge in the fridge. If you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll continue to create more content like this. For now, let's get cooking.
you so much for joining me for this latest video. Just share some of this fudgy goodness with whomever you love and share your unique take on it with me. If you did different shapes, different colors, different flavors, I'd love to see how you made your Pride Fudge unique and special to you. If you want more fun vegan recipes like this, check me out on my Ko-Fi, which is linked below, and subscribe to my channel so I know to make more videos like this. For now, eat well and travel often.